What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a file or folder on Google Drive on your Android phone. So what you want to do, you want to open up that Google Drive application. If you don't know where it is, you should be able to find it on your phone on the Google apps here. You can open the Google Drive, or you can simply go ahead and search for it on your phone by simple typing Drive, right? You can also download this from the Play Store if you don't have it. Now once you're inside, simply click on Files in the lower right hand side. If you don't have a folder, you can simply tap on new button there and create a new folder here, and you can simply go ahead and add that folder here. So I'm going to simply create this with the default name there, create, and as you can see, I have a second folder there. Now once you have that folder created, just simply open it by tap on that, and here you can simply add files to it. Now you can do this many ways. I'm going to show you the easiest way how to do it from the application as well here. So go ahead and tap on new again, and here you have the option that says upload. You will not see file, you'll just see upload. So tap on upload and it's going to access your files from your phone. So what's going to happen once you tap on that, you should give it a second and you should see where it tries to access many things from your phone. You have your gallery, you have your my files, you have photos, you have whatever, all different options. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this to access, let's say, from my photos, right? So I'm going to simply click on my gallery here, and here I can find some pictures here. So I'm going to simply go ahead and tap on this picture here from a cache, this one. Let's tap on this one here, then click on done on the upper right hand side, and you will see it quickly start to upload to my phone. And as you can see, this picture is now uploaded under the test folder in Google Drive on my Android phone. So, and that's it. If you go back to the folder level, you can see that if I open it again, the folder is there. And it's very easy. You can share this with someone if you wish.